Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by identifying how the cup is held: clips, hidden screws, or a snapped lip. Use a soft cloth to protect finish and a small Phillips or Torx bit if screws appear. Otherwise, use a thin plastic pry tool. Start at a seam and gently pry at a clip point to feel for release. You do this to avoid breaking plastic tabs. Once you hear a slight click, continue around the circumference until the cup loosens enough to lift. Once the cup is loose, lift it slowly to expose foam, adhesive, and any ribbon or wired connector. You should remove or peel back foam gently. If there's adhesive, work a bit of isopropyl on a cotton swab to loosen it. When you see a tiny plug, depress its latch and pull straight out. Don't yank at wires. You take photos now so you remember orientation. This saves time and prevents reverse channels later when reattaching the new cup. To finish, align the replacement cup and reconnect any cable by pushing the connector straight in until it clicks. This ensures signal continuity and prevents loose contacts. Then press the cup into its clips or replace screws evenly so the seal is uniform. An uneven press can deform foam or stress clips. Once assembled, power on and play a test tone to verify channels and clarity. If you hear static or one side muted, recheck connector seating and screw torque. Those fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.